I'm experimenting with slow cooking of ribeyes in no wave oven. This one was 150 degrees for 3 hours and 50 minutes, and then it was sitting there in the wave for like 5 hours, and then I reheated it couple minutes. I think this is called medium rare. What do you think? Now I'm gonna top it with some butter. Just give me a moment. There you go. Reheat it 2 more minutes. And I want to show you something. Beef tallow. It's like lard but made of beef. That's how you can grill your fryer hamburger patties. Link in description. There you go. Carnivore Diet.